this stuff is ready to be replaced. This 80-year-old plumbing is just seen better days. So we're down here trying to get this back together. This is old cast iron, 80 years old. What I did was I took a grinder and grinded off all the old rust. Also, it's broken in half, you can see here. But this goes right in here, you can see it'll go right in here like this, and the other one will go over here. So we want to get this back together. Okay, what I have here is some setting epoxy. Set these in, we're going to epoxy these in just right like this. I grinded everything down so it has a nice bond. That'll give it a nice bond by taking off the old rust. Okay, so this problem is getting solved here. I just let this dry for about 20 minutes so far. It's already pretty solid. I put these shims underneath it to make sure it was staying level. And so this side is completely solid. Now I can put the other side on. Let me show you. This will go on. You can see I cleaned it up with the grinder, so we have a clean connection, metal to metal. And this is fitting nice again. It was all rusted before. So this is a complete rebuild. So that's gonna fit nicely. Epoxy that in. Giving this a little more reinforcement, I'm gonna put a ring on here, this clamp, hose clamp. First though, what I'm gonna do, even though I epoxied all this in, I'm gonna wrap this electrical tape real tight all the way around a bunch of times. It'll just kind of give it a little extra protection when they clamp this down. With the hose clamp, it'll just be even tighter and less likely, give it a little more strength on that joint as well. Okay, that looks pretty good. Cut that off. Then we'll put this hose clamp on here and slide it up underneath and clamp it down. You get yourself an extension with a socket on there, and it's easy to get in there at an angle. Then we have our new wax ring. This is the kind of standard wax ring you'll get. You want a wax seal in between there. So that's what this new one has. So when you squish it down, it seals there and it seals above.